day in Southern Maryland. It is Saturday. What is today? October 29th, so 2 days before Halloween. It's supposed to be in the 70s today. I took a load of soybeans to Purdue this morning. They are about 60 miles north of me. I did see frost once I got up there. We have had no frost here in Scotland yet. My guess is we're still a couple of weeks away from that. But since it is going to be warm, I need the air conditioner working properly in the combine. Hell, even on cold days, we need the air conditioner in the combine because of all the glass and the sun shining in it. So I'm going to clean out that filter for the air conditioner. It is quite dirty, as you'll see here. So I've already taken the cover off, but you can see some of the soybean dust that has collected down here. And there is the filter, and oh boy. That thing is chock full. It's been a couple of days since I last cleaned it out. And just look at all the dust piled in there. So I'm probably going to get the blower and blow this out, and then we'll get rolling here and start cutting some soybeans. I've got about a day and a half left to go on cutting soybeans. Unfortunately, the bin is full, so I have to haul everything that I cut now. If that wasn't the case, I could finish up today, but I just don't have enough room to put it, so I'll fill the truck up, fill everything up, haul this load on Monday morning, and then I'll be able to finish up Monday afternoon, it looks like. And I think we'll finish planting wheat on Monday as well. Weather looks good for the next 5 days. It's been great weather for cutting soybeans, and not as wet as it had started out being. So let's get this show on the road. Soybean dust really bothers me. It affects my eyes tremendously. But worse than that, it bothers my wife severely. She has severe allergic reactions to soybean dust, which means whenever I'm around soybean dust, I have to take all my clothes off outside before I come in the house. I've got to wash my own clothes during soybean harvest and any time I am around soybeans. Otherwise, my wife just goes into a severe allergic reaction. But I just hate soybean dust. But one other thing I've got to do this morning before I get started, the fields I was in yesterday had a few stones in them. I know I picked up some rocks, so we're going to empty the rock trap this morning. All right, so look out for the dust now. Hopefully I've got the wind going into the combine so the dust will blow away from me, but I've got a lever here to pull. Drops down the trap door here, and this is the rock trap here, and as you can see, we've got some stuff packed in here, but the stones will fall in here. I don't have my GoPro this morning, sorry about that, so I'm using my iPhone for this. So this is coming from the feeder house. So there's the header up there. Comes up to the feeder house, and this is before it goes into the cylinder. And so this is a kind of like a pan, so to speak, where the stones will drop in before it gets up into the cylinder. So there's a turtle there that we've picked up. And there's a stone there. There's one. I'm sure there's more up here. So, not sure if you can see up there, but the cylinder, this is the concave here, and then the cylinder is right above that spins around to thrash the grain. Well, I will be surprised if it's only one stone in there. But that is all that I found, was just the one stone. I feel nothing else up there, so that is quite surprising, because I did get off of the combine a couple times yesterday and took stones off the header. I can't believe I caught them all except the one before it went into the combine. Okay, we're going to get started here. October 31st, and I will finish cutting soybeans. I am moving the combine now back to the home farm, back to where we started. Yes, here we are, back where we started, back at the home farm here, and all I've got left to cut is 3 passes of soybeans over here that were green on the first day that we started cutting soybeans. If you remember watching that first video of first day of soybean harvest, a couple of passes next to the wood line there that were still green that I left. So that is all that I have to do, is get those 3 passes, and I will be finished with soybean harvest. Jeffrey is going to finish up with the wheat planting today. I'm not sure, I haven't talked to him, but he got some more wheat this morning, and he is on the tractor now planting, so hopefully we'll finish that up today. The soybean harvest wasn't that great. They really look like good soybeans. Look like they should have done 50, 60 bushels to the acre. I haven't done all the numbers yet, but it looks like we're only going to be in the 35 to 40 bushel range on the average for everything. So not what they look like, but you know, it was a dry year and a hot year, so I guess I can't complain too much. So anyhow, I'm going to finish connecting everything on the header here and get these last 3 passes out. ya.